Welcome to another video. It's your boy. I just wanted to tell you that this is gonna be a handcuff comparison on the different handcuffs I have, and I kind of figured some of this stuff is some of this stuff is made up. Some of this stuff is actually real, and I understand that some of you guys, you like whatever we have. That's not the whole case of this. Never mind. Yeah. This is actually my first time doing a handcuff comparison. So that's about 6 type of handcuffs out there that we all have. Now I want to show you what they look like. So, this is a special type of video. Y'all can see my face or my hand, whatever. So our first thing we're going with is this. It's not really any kind of type of handcuff. It's not really a handcuff, but it goes with your prisoner. So it's a tie. You can tie it to whoever you want to tie it to. And then next I have my Peerless Smith & Wesson. My the Japanese police, what is this? Leg irons. They don't fit on my leg because they're small. They also go for your hands, but I call it my hand anyway. And then this is a British handcuff. It goes right like here. And we are going to put these on today. I'm just letting you guys know that. And for our second one, we have a pair of Clutch Chinese handcuffs. They're not exactly what I figured, but there's no keys with these. And do we have a pair of Iran handcuffs? Let me just move this on the other side. So these are Iran handcuffs. And then we have a real actual pair of police handcuffs. These aren't just normal, but they'll go in my hands too. And the keys that match the handcuffs, these are real and these are fake. So I might try this on. I mean, it kind of depends. It goes with your waist, so I don't know. exactly how to put that on, but I know it goes like this. So, how you'd use handcuffs depends on your wrist. Now, for big people, for big boys' wrist, they got big boy cuffs, and these can be a pair of leg arms, and these are like not obvious pair for me out there. So, yeah, and then we have this weird looking pair of handcuffs. Now, these ones are kind of a prison handcuff, but it goes over your neck and right here, and then that's it. Most of the prisoners out there, if you're watching this, there you go. And then this. So we're gonna no matter so this is how oh come on. I'm in the middle of a video. Sorry about that. I was just calling. So these can lock, but they gotta go around. Now these aren't just a pair. Now for these are real additional police handcuffs. They're not fake. And how I put them on, the size of your hand can go on the size of what your cuff could, depending on how tight you want it. And I do believe that most cops out there use black because of a certain color of the cuff. So if they're double locked, they cannot go tighter. And yeah. Now these ones are a little weird, and they smell weird. They smell like money. They're old. And now I can't move my hands at all. Now I can, so. These are all kind of fake. And now the Iran type of thing. Come on. So, like I was saying, and actually these can go behind my back in a really weird way, so obviously it's what the cuffs are for. So the type of handcuffs I'd use are the ones you don't see every day out of the features. Like I say, most of these handcuffs are kind of, popular. The most popular ones out there are the Peerless, but for these ones, they're short, and these can't break at all. They're stainless steel, and they can't break. So if you want to put these on behind your back, I'd rather you have a copy of that, because these are dangerous, and you can get hurt doing this. Now I'm just showing you guys how to get out of... Now my next video is going to be how to get out of all of the stuff I have. There's your answer to everything. I didn't double lock them because it's hard to get off behind my back. I know every type of handcuff out there that have like police related like these, you're gonna find on the market. So believe that. And now for these weird fake ones, These are like fake toy handcuffs, and these are actually, so these are like fake toy, and you can easily get out of these. Yeah, no, that's not fun. These are fun to have if you're not a kid. They're good for prisoner restraint, protection in your house, for your family. They're good for duty and practicing. And they're good for police academies as well. So now some of you guys might not know that, but these handcuffs are like police ones, and they're Peerless. Like the only reason I got black ones is because they're kind of comfortable, but these are hard. So thanks for watching my video, and peace out. There's the handcuffs again. There's the bigger and there's the lower. And then there's the full size. Yeah, the full size. Peace out.